In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list in Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to quickly gather contacts into a single group so you can email everyone at once. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. Type Outlook and open the official Microsoft Outlook site. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account and complete any security checks. Once you're in your inbox, we'll navigate to the area where groups live. Look toward the top left of the page for the App Launcher or More Apps button. It usually looks like a small grid of squares. Click it to reveal additional Microsoft 365 apps and options. From there, select Groups. This opens the place where Outlook organizes your shared groups, which function like distribution lists for email. On the Groups page, choose the group you want to use as your distribution list. This could be a team, a committee, or any collection of people you email together. If you already see the right group listed, click it to open its details. If you don't see the group you need, you can create one later, but for now we'll continue with an existing group. Inside the group view, look for the Add Members control. It's often represented by an icon of a person with a plus sign or a clearly labeled Add Members button. Click that to begin adding people to the group. A panel will appear where you can add members. Start typing a name or an email address. Outlook will suggest people from your contacts and your organization's directory. Click the correct match, then keep typing to add more. You can add one person at a time or build the list before you confirm. If you're adding someone outside your organization, make sure you enter their full email address correctly and confirm that external members are allowed by your organization's settings. When you're ready, click Add. Outlook will process those additions and bring everyone into the group. You can repeat this process anytime you need to include more people, and it's a good habit to double-check spelling and choose the right contact from the suggestions. That's it. Your distribution list is now ready. To use it, start a new email and type the group's name in the To field. Outlook will fill in the group so your message reaches every member. Keep your group up to date by returning to the same screen whenever team members join or leave. This simple setup will save you time and make sure important messages go to the right people every time.